everyone, welcome to our course. My name is Dan Yuan, your professional Chinese teacher. Today our course is about entertainment center. We're going to learn new words and character related to it and will be very useful, especially if you're traveling or living in China. Anyway, let's start our course today. So first of all, we have to look at these three new characters. 娱乐城. And here, 城 didn't mean center, it means city. And most of the time we describe some places that is huge and that is especially for doing something, we use 城, and it's in second tone, 城, which means city. 娱乐城, and 娱乐 means entertainment. 娱乐城, 娱乐城. And first of all, bowling alley, 保龄球馆. So the bowling in Chinese is directly translated from the sounds of English. 保龄球, it is bowling. And 馆, which means hall, we have learned in restaurant, 餐馆. 保龄球馆. And bowling. 保龄球保龄球. So next one, bowling pins. 球瓶. Second tone, 球瓶. 球瓶. And lane, 球道. So 道 here means lane or way. So in Chinese it is ball way. 球道. 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 And ball rack, 回球架. 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 And then billiard room, 台球室. So here, billiard, 台球. Second tone, 台球. And 室 means room. We have learned in like bathroom. We have learned in like 卧室, bedroom. So we use 室 to describe some medium-sized room, billiard room. 台球室. 台球室. And pool table, 台球, which means billiards or pool. Pool table, 台球桌. We have learned 桌 before, which means desk or table. So here, pool table, 台球桌. 台球桌, flatten, 桌. And then cue rack, 球杆架. We have learned 架 before, which means rack. 球杆架. 球杆架. And pool rack, 定球架. 定球架. Pool cue, 球杆. Flatten, 球杆. 球杆. And here, bar, 酒吧. But here, 酒 means liquor, we have learned before, and 吧 means bar. So in Chinese, bar is not 吧, it is 酒吧, liquor bar. 酒吧, 酒吧. And bartender, 调酒师. 调 second tone, 酒 third tone, 师 flatten, sorry. 调酒师. 调酒师, bartender. And bar counter, 吧台. We have learned 台 before, which means platform. 吧台. 吧台, second tone. And to drink alcoholic beverage, anyway, to drink alcohol. 喝酒, we have learned alcohol here. 酒, third tone. 喝酒. 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 And then to smoke, 吸烟 flatten, 吸烟 flatten. And disco dance, it is just translated, and then disco dance is just directly translated from the sound of it in English. 迪斯科，迪斯科，迪斯科。And then ballroom, 舞厅 in Chinese it is dance hall. 舞厅，舞厅。And dancing partner, 舞伴，舞伴，舞伴。And cha-cha, 恰恰. It just all of them, you don't need to remember Chinese exactly because if you use the English of it, everyone will know what you mean. And tango, 探戈。Samba, samba. It just sounds exactly like the English of it, except this one, waltz, it is 华尔兹. So you probably just remember this one because if you say waltz, I don't think everyone know it. 华尔兹，华尔兹。And then karaoke room, we call it KTV 包间。KTV 包间。And to choose a song, 点歌。So 点 have the meaning of choose or pick. 点歌，点歌。And then video arcade, 电子游戏厅。We have learned 电子游戏 before, which means video games, and 厅 means hall. So video arcade in Chinese is video game hall. 电子游戏厅，电子游戏厅。And arcade game, 游戏机，游戏机。So in Chinese, game machine. 游戏机。So this is of course today we have learned a lot of new characters and new words today. Hope you can do some review and don't forget to check the homework. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy watching it. And if you haven't really subscribed, just click the subscription and the little bell icon so they can get notification for the next video. And thanks again. If you have any suggestions, just comment below. I really want to hear from you. Anyway, see you in next course. Bye. 他少年时就开始去迪斯科舞厅。王叔叔曾经是一位技艺高超的调酒师。这里是桑巴舞的诞生地，也是巴西历史上最重要的文化场所之一。自从他沉迷于游戏机后，事情都改变了。